Bond is a link between two object or two persons or to anything. That is a bonding is a tying something to something. Next, here how many bonds are there? How many types of bonds are there? In chemistry, there are three types of bonds. What are those? Ionic bond, covalent bond, and metallic bond also there. We need not discuss about that metallic bond. What is ionic bond? Write down. Ionic bond is a bond where electrons transfers from atom to atom. Where right where ionic bond. Ionic bond is a bond. Ionic bond is a bond. Bond is a bond where ionic bond is a bond where electron transfers, where electrons transfers from one atom to another atom. Write down another atom. Example, that is example sodium. Sodium, it can give +1. Here chlorine can wants 1. Chlorine minus. Plus means loses its electron. Plus means loses its electron. Minus means gains its electron. Then what is this? Here first shell sodium 2. First shell 2. This is nucleus. First shell 2. Second shell 8. Third shell only 1. What is the configuration of? What is the before configuration? If you send out this electron to chlorine, how many electrons chlorine? Chlorine, this is chlorine. This is sodium. This is sodium. Chlorine first shell 2, second shell 8, third shell 7. It requires 1 electron, whereas sodium gives an electron to this. Sodium, if it loses its electrons, it gets the configuration of neon. It gets the electron configuration of neon. What is that neon? Neon bracket neon for making the octet rule. Neon of what is that? Neon of 3s1. 3s1 is the sodium. 3s1. This extra electron will come to and transfer from here to here. How does this electron transfer? What is the force? Electrostatic force. By the electrostatic force. Electrostatic means electrons attraction. Electrostatic force means electrons attraction. Atoms attraction and electrons attraction. This is negative electrons here positive electron. By Christian's mother, it will form into static force. Form into Christian's mother Na+1 and Na chlorine -1. And this Christian's mother, we can get it to sodium chloride. This is what is the bond here? The electron transfer from sodium to chlorine. Here, isn't it? The electron transfers from sodium to chlorine. Maintain gap. And listen it, class. What does the transfer happen? Shall we go to the And Jorga, no but Jorga, why do you talk? Class answer. How does the transfer happen?
By electrostatic
Tell
force.
her.
By
Sodium gives one electron to the transfers its electron to chlorine. That's why this bond is called ionic bond. For example, calcium oxide. Another example, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Do you do yourself? Uh, do it. This is first make it cation. This one is cation. This is one is anion. Cation is represented by Lewis, and the anion is represented by Kosel. Those are not necessary. Okay. The first learn what is the bond. Where electron transfers in calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. How many calcium oxide can give? Calcium oxide, how many can give? Calcium oxide. How many electrons calcium has? First cell 2 calcium. Second calcium first cell 2, second cell 8, third cell 8, third cell also 8. What is the valence cell? In the valence cell, 2 electrons are there. Valence cell. 2 electrons are there. How do you make it calcium oxide? Bond. Transfer of electrons. It can give 2 electrons. Here oxygen is how many oxygen has? Oxygen how many? Oxygen first cell 2. First cell 2. Final first cell 2. This cell how many electrons it has? 6 means it requires 2 electrons for octet rule. That octet rule is called electrons theory. That octet rule is called electron theory. If it can give 2 electrons. Here, this is one gap, this is another gap. Then it will become octet rule. This the transfer of electron from calcium to oxygen, it happen. In that way happen. What is this now? It has formed into calcium monoxide. Calcium can give 2 electrons. Calcium can transfer 2 electrons to oxygen. Then it will be a molecule of the calcium oxide. What is this? These are the 2 examples for ionic bond. Next, covalent bond. Write down. This write down simultaneously. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. More than 8 means it takes lot of time. Works together.